HyperX CloudX Revolver Gears of War headset. Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have something special. You are looking at the box that contains the HyperX CloudX Revolver headset. This one is designed specifically for the fans of the Gears of War franchise. Let's check them out. The moment you open the box, you will find a lot of manuals and literature, including Freedom Code for Gears of War 4, which for obvious reasons we won't show you. Spoiler alert, you will need an Xbox Live Gold membership to play the multiplayer component of Gears 4 online with your friends. Next up, you see the headset in all its Gears glory. The headset has a headband made out of real leather. It also has the Gears of War title printed on it. Above the headband, you have a durable steel frame. This headset is very sturdy. The advantages of a steel frame is that you don't need to keep adjusting the headset for a comfortable fit. The headset makes use of the Gears of War color palette. It sports a deep red color along with gritty printed graphics. Additionally, there is also the Gears Crimson Omen logo on the ear cups. This is pretty cool. The headset also has ball joints on either side. This makes sure that the cups adjust to your head. It also has memory foam on the ear cups to give you a comfortable fit. If you are someone that has big ears, then worry not. They will fit quite well. But your ears can get sweaty with prolonged use. There is also a detachable mic which clicks in without much of a hassle. A 1-meter braided 3.5mm jack comes attached to the headset. The cable also has crimson red volume controls and slider for switching the mic on and off. If you remove the final layer of foam shielding in the box, you will notice a 2-meter long extension cord with jacks for audio and mic. Once again, we find the lack of a carrying pouch to be a bummer. So there you have it. That was a quick look at what you can find in the HyperX CloudX Revolver Gears of War headset box. Thanks for watching.